we find a program where they take on all about the county. Where today we decide for Kana Fobe. As we all know, Fobe a Muslim dominated community. Although Christian themselves they live here. And we want to know back the similarities between Fobe, Fullerton, and Aberdeen. And then get same tradition where they all they follow. And we still exist back up till now. We can't find out and bring on to una notice. Make una safe know. Because some of we not be know waiting be that happen. So we want to make we know and people know the development that will don't take place from how for baby dates ready to now. Stay with me, Mina Jory and Dumbuya.
Me name Alaji Yadali Utijankul. Me so called me is not the chief, but we call her Alikali.
Alhaji Professor Abdul Babatunde Karim.
Me na Alhaji Hassani Lamin, born of Fobe and live na Fobe community.
Me name na Aja Samina Tukasi. Me na Fobe Pikin.
We mean a Sheikh Alhaji Nazir King.
Mina Alhaji Sanusi Gamanku, a retired university lecturer.
Mina Mohamed Basiru Sanusi, but Basha the most common name. Born at Fobe and I don't there all my life.
Mina Haja Kadi Johnson. Na Fobe Adi. Na Fobe are born. Na Fobe are men. Na Fobe are married. And most of my property they were getting forbidden.
Mina Raji Musa Zubairu. I live na Fobe.
Mina Asmi Uba. Well, Fobe na one of the communities that were grow up.
Well, as the program continue, as now know where you can at any community, you get for meet first the chief. And we're not going to do anything without we not go talk to the chief and ask him for him permission for make it give it or go talk to another people in the community. So join me as we go inside right now. We go talk to the chief. Man, so we small to what you know about Fobe. Make it tell we how Fobe be turn like today. So how Fobe don't turn now.
Fobe is a place where peaceful. We be able to maintain our culture. We are people and we rely on our own custom and we do things all by ourselves. Though we can mix, but not much. Because then the other side and your custom different to we own.
Well, Fambule, we was one of the stakeholders in Fobe. We have Professor Karim. He can show you some of the historical pictures them. So Fambule, now join me as we connect with them. Yes, Professor.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. So, welcome.
Yes, sir.
So, as one of the activities that we take place in Fobe, we pride ourselves in Tafsir. Tafsir Quran. Yeah. So this now when me own daddy been the Tafsir Quran, the day we really then they go ordain them. Okay. The most soon incident soon done at the Al-Fadis where the land we get for ordain them. After the ordination ceremony, then we get for carry up 2 times. We can see like CDO. Okay. So now then tout so up here so we go see where you see the crowd jolly and the whole glad the around them for the Tafsir Quran.
Okay.
Then the community again will take active part in sports. Then we get a cricket club we then call Fobe Sports Club. Okay. So they win the trophy at that time. So now the picture this, we show this trophy.
This now who's EASO professor?
This EASO must be in the 50s.
In the 50s.
Yes. You will see, you get the, I think see the governor and the WEF. And then Sidon, so I think this is also now Father Molkai. Then Sidon, so according to our in the tell. So you will see the cup, see the captain, when I'm at you Thomas, and all the cups on there. Okay. So the one more picture we probably for show now is a group picture of some of the elders of the Fobe community. This I mean another big people there also say. So which means this picture they will take around 1940s or early 50s. So you know them they get some half problem in Fobe. So some of the peace talks, the people that we come and then sit down. So apart from this, when a foreigner, all the way also Fobe people there. I want to talk about brief history of Fobe community, very broad, because we take as far back as the 1800s, we people come from Waterloo. Because you know, people there, they are liberated Africans. They are not Africans who went into slavery. They were caught by the ISIS, they bring them come. So because they in that group, then they bring them come and not go into slavery, they're not scatter. So then that group formed there. So they lodged in Waterloo for a long time till they get a lot of wars where they participate in before they come into Freetown. So you see they come at a cohesive body day, they get their culture intact, they get the language intact, they get the religion intact.
Fobe community is a community we I think we people live in Libya, spring from Nigeria, those are the Yoruba people there, and most of them they talk the Yoruba language. And that make most of the people that were born, the name they wouldn't give them, get Yoruba name Midu. Most of we get the Yoruba name. Like me, being Alaji Asani Anima Shaun. That's not my correct name. Alaji Asani Anima Shaun. So we spring from the Yoruba. So that make we get most of the culture and tradition we then practice now Nigeria. If you look, the Fobe we want to do we call Komojadi. We get we how we can do them, and as I say earlier, the names they will give picking them.
And Fobe, I'm not born na Fobe as such. I'm born as up country. Shebema when I did me parents them they do business. Na they are born. But why I reach the age for go school 5 years, now I can't to me granny. Now me granny now men me na Fobe. And that's why I can at that age J na Fobe. That community they be very small, and everybody will be there na be Fobe person. We hardly be get strangers then. We be get one mosque at that time. When I be in the mosque na Davis Jamia to a thick mosque na Davis na be the mosque some will be get. At that time they said not to that building where we are sitting up so now not to that not also the mosque be there na be a smaller mosque. And that time they then we get the yadi where that yadi day na they the imam king day where Friday come for Juma prayer na they then they go take am then we and can at the mosque. And then that yadi day back where bury be na they we be get the tambale we call am tambale. Then we go beat them for let the community know say bury don't be oh. Now that time now people go they go na the yadi they go say who that die. Na yadi day na they will be do audience and day. After some time, now we can get small disputes. We bring separation kind of the Fobe community, we can get 2 mosques. We can get one. The Atik Mosque is still there. Not in order, and then you will get the people they waiting at the Atik Mosque. When at the trustees them, then you will get the mass system. We say they're not with them if you say because they're of the majority, now them for waiting they want now for blue. But history tell me say the trustee, there was a trustee where this trustee agreement we don't lay down the rules and regulations way for happen at the mosque. So we not below. So that bring that separation they can at the Fuabe community. Later on, we can get another 3rd mosque now when Jamila to act. That then now a split again between the mass Jama and that small body day. So now Fuabe na 3 mosques there we get.
Fuabe originated from the forefathers. From then 17 something now. Can build up till we come to great grandfathers. We come to grandfather, we come to even father them. Before we save the option now. Like for example, from this point to that junction, the whole eldest Fuabe picking we did it now. The last one I want for making 40 days when I Mr. Thomas, Alumi Thomas. So don't deal with unique now community. Unique in the sense that if even you go any side of the world for the past, you don't did it for 40, 50 years. When you come back, you go direct to your home, direct to your house. You know, they miss yourself. So very, very unique.
Fuabe are born. And also are born, they call it Agocheke, within near the cemetery. We're proud of the Oku Mohammedan cemetery. Very proud of that cemetery. And that cemetery, we not to everybody get the right for no go beg and they except who that the authorities them decide.
Well, the Fuabe Bengon is unique to it because now we people them, particularly a woman and give it our cemetery. We get the first one when I did and they use now for play football, social business. They'll get this what I give you. I say, but if anybody will come up from Nigeria, particularly the Yorubas, if they die now, before bury them in our cemetery. Now, woman give you. So we hold up to that tradition. They will not take extra person for burying.
So what about Fulaton?
And they can all are the same people. They just split no more. We Fulaton and Badin. Yes. Okay. They'll get part of them and then they say we live in Godrich. But it's not in a big group like we. Fulaton wait to make we then they can bury her because they don't get side we them make special say made in the bury. And we can see the proximity is easy to come. So I could do that.
Because we get for cricket, we get the Fuabe Sports Club. With some of members of Fuabe Sports Club, when members of Fuabe community play international cricket for Sierra Leone. That's when we get what they call intercolony cricket. Later on, I changed to quadrangular cricket that is between Sierra Leone, Sierra Leone, Nigeria, Ghana, and Gambia. These were the 4 colonies. So when you get the cricket match, then we been the organized football. So still got to fill the Fuabe field. Right, Fuabe field really the disused cemetery, apart from the old cemetery. Find that so get to cemetery. Right, so now be the old cemetery. So they not been the user again for years. So then convert them to a playground.
Moving to the football, we get a slogan where now we play, and we always see when Fuabe can go play out with the Kego Dibegi Batara the sound, and we also get the cultural part of where we can go play. And we see that the community don't take part in 2 different finals from Kofa to Lunge. Jazzy wise, the community gets a very good jazzy.
I say a born na Fuabe, a born near the Fuabe field. So as a small boy, I gap up, now we get the field. The morning I did it, evening time I did it. But I say thanks to Allah, I not joke with me school business. I not be the cake school.
I born everything. The one they born me, my mommy and my daddy, then I born of here. So they all born. Well, we then have Fobe here, and this Fobe predominantly they are Muslim. They are Muslim. Their religion and faith na Islam. And therefore, more than settle la Fobe, then they carry on with their religion. We ancestors them, we great granddaddy them. Carry on with their religion. For sure say yes, then a ardent Muslim, waiting and try for build school, Islamic schools. For let them begin, they will get Islamic education. And build one first na Krojimi, where that na 1882. 1882. And build the other one na street to Miaso, where that na 1900. Na in them build them. Then build the mosques. Before that, they don't build the mosques. These mosques don't exist from 1833. Now these mosques don't exist. But time being carried when they say this, it just they so no more, the mosques exist so no more. Let everything there in record. Let it be official. Well, that's why they try for be let it in a record, let it be official. Na 1876. That thing they make deed, the right deed for the mosques, how for run them. So because of their religion, their faith, they made them build a school then they build the mosques then they send people them. Say una can go study Islam. They pull some of the younger ones them where they feel say they are so them brilliant. They send the way they divide. They send some na Senegal. They send na Guinea. They send na Gambia.
So the first set of people that will come after they know look at several areas in Freetown for locate them. Finally locate a place where they call Savage Town. The first place na Yadi, we call it Yadi, by Abbott Street, right? And so they establish, first thing they think about establishing, and that's for pray. So the first area for congregational prayer in Freetown, as it were, Yadi compound. From there now we move across to the mosque, Jamia Latik, in the 1830s. So because Jamia Latik really, the mosque, we can see between 1830 and 1835, then they establish the mosque. So in terms of religion, the religion has been intact. And throughout the people they seek more and more Islamic knowledge, they get calls for go to Guinea on 2 or 3 occasions, just for go for Islamic knowledge. Then interact with the Fullers, and the Madingos, and the Sosos where they meet, right, on the ground, and then they're able to consolidate the religion and bring in more of the people into the fold. I believe when you go to the mosque, you see the size of the mosque, right? It was built purposely. You can imagine the size of the mosque in the 1830s. We don't alter much because it was like a central mosque for the whole of Freetown. People coming, not only Freetown, but people come far afield as Waterloo, Easton, Rukela. Right? They all been the kind of come, get lectures, they don't and get the congregational prayer.
And that Sunday, then we get the Yadi. Where that Yadi day, now they the Imam King day, where Friday come for Juma prayer, now they go take them. Then we and Canada the mosque. And then that year the day back, we bury in B. Now there we get the Tambale, we call them Tambale. Then we go beat them for let the community say bury don't be Now that time now people go, they go na the yard, they go say, who that die? Na yard day, na day, we do all that and day. After some time, now we can get small disputes. We bring separation kind of the Fobe community. We can make we get 2 mosques. Go we can get one. The Atik mosque is still there. Not another one. Then you will get the people that were at the Atik mosque. When at the trustees them, then you will get the mass system. We say they're not with them if you say because they're of the majority. Now them for waiting they want now for me. But history tell me say the trustee, there was a trustee where this trustee agreement we don't lay down the rules and regulations way for happen at the mosque. So we not below. So that being that separation, they can at the Fobe community. Later on, we can get another 3rd mosque now when a Jamila to act. That then now a split again between the mass Jama and that small body day. So now na Fobe na 3 mosques there we get. Jamil Latik na Davis Street, Jamia to buy to land at Kennedy Street, and Jamia to act na Aga Street.
Well, Fobe na one of the communities where I grew up, and I've been one of the most peaceful and organized communities where people almost been virtually know everybody where they live. That now before the then kind of time where somebody go say overpopulation don't come now Fobe now people are not to know themselves. But it's not that we've been there grow up there. Fobe na been community where we nearly know we safe. And also na been community where the elders they push people and for let them go school. Because if you look at the prominent sons and daughters of Fobe, most of them occupy high positions. And one of the reasons is because the people who have been there, they push them for their land, and that may be one to be help that community there.
Tell when me born, Fobe na be fine place for the. We get with culture, we get with tradition, na so we get we different things them like we Sarah them. Una care whether they talk about Fobe Sarah every Sunday. Fobe then they get Sarah. We get 3 days, we get 7 days, we get 40 days, we get 1 year, we get 5 years, we get 10 years, we get 20 years, as the case may be. Fobe woman are number 1 for cook. In fact, when other people, other tribe people them, they get them business, they get them 40 days or then Sarah them. Now Fobe yard then they come for can't take them, mammy them, for go cook for them. Then 10 days and 30 days, na so it be. Because Fobe cook is different from any other cook. If we cook jollof rice for you, now one in paint. We cook obiata and krinkri. We cook bitters. We cook sour. We cook shakpa.
Well, most recent times now, when we get them, we Sarah them, their business and we find out for say we get people the way they cook. We don't first time we not be get laborers them. We be help in hand. Where you go pay, they help you for go do your work, tote you pot, wash you pot. But now all that day we don't get enough. When you get one do business, you just get your money. They able for hire people then. We go work for you. Then we get people they again way expert in cooking. Where you want good cook, you want them cook their obiata and create for you. Good fried soup, bitters and bologi, sour. Go Fobe, you meet them and then they go cook. We sabi do their work then.
And Fobe woman sabi dress. And you know say we na Creole people them. We na the Muslim Creole. Then call we Akumarabu.
For we the woman then what to be me to mama them they do them be very cooperative, very united. Where business be, you go see all man they go for them business they do. When married they be, you can get taking the worker also. Since the community be small, you be find out for say that the worker also they go tell people there for their occasions they do. For married or for Sarah or for 40 days, people them be they go round. They go tell people they say I get married or so person they married or then kind of thing they do. Then the other thing will be no at that time. Picking them, they take training them, they hear what to them parents them. So So we find out for say that same day when pikin married, almost 100% of them people will be married that same day, then go miss them small pikin. They know the man we married that night, they can go vaginate them now. So we find out for say before a while you see the woman don't get belly, he begin born in pikin them. Then but we married business again, we can always get witnesses them. We can get God mommy, we get God witness, God daddy, God witness. And then witnesses then they come up and the family will they come out. Will not be they take outsiders at all for them witnesses then the God mommy if they come on na you daddy side, the God witness if they come on na you mama side. So now that way they will be the go part we married business. In order they can now when they want married and go take strangers then for them witnesses then they.
The program will continue. We did with one Fobe Pikin. We go cancel with something about Fobe. And what's as young man, what's the community?
The community team na Fobe community, we mean at the Secretary General, and I also be the president for Sakuke, one of the young generation, big organization of this community, and also don't they partake by different things from the big one them to the small one them. We're talking about the history, so waiting we granddaddy and tell we get a mixed culture. You know, we get the Aku and the Oku them, the Muslim and the Christians them. Most of the people in come out Nigeria, Gambia, and some come out far away from Senegal. The community by then will be the Fobe Waf. We most both will come out from there, be Oku to other places in Nigeria. And education starts here in terms of tertiary, we can already call the Fobe College. And after that, back in the years, we were not born into graduate until we get the King Sanusi Macaulay, when I be the Fobe Empire by then. And inside the Fobe tentacle big, you get the culture, where you get people who join the AO, the one who not join, we can call them the Iberi, and we get education. Nobody will take away education from we. We don't get a lot of professors, them, doctors, lawyers, all walks of life on the part of the community. And we get the Wataki, we the host Bolori, the Nectar, the Sierra Leone Port Authority, we're the part of the community. The community big, you know, but we can say Fobe, people in your face like I'm from Savage Square to Kennedy Street, the Kosotong, the Kojimi, they're all part of the community. But because of that Fobe we talk, we'll just say from Savage Square, from this other part also we do so, and to Kennedy Street, and move on all the way to Ross Road. So the education, we want to see how do very best in terms of results from NPSC to Becker and to WAS and even to the tertiary level.
But you see Fobe, now one side we get the secular education, we get the Arabic education. And with people then pinta we say, when you come out school, you forgo Elekeu that are the Arabic side. How will you get me? Oh, you get me? So that both knowledge you get and you get for able, because when you come out school, you will not get much lesson like now. When you come out school, by even 10, you forgo Elekeu, you go learn Arabic.
Where that one day, every Sunday, na morning, they begin them, then they take the wala, waiting a wala. Now one board where they carve so where then they write with black ink where they call Tadawa. When then they write the Arabic language. Then they take for land the picking them. Or book because now the wala not so they now, not so they make them so they can write and book with pen in Arabic for the picking them. Then their weekdays during the evening, like from 5 to 6 now, they begin them can go and don't come to school and don't eat and don't rest. Then they go back for Gulan. Now so then go land when they reach Surah Lekalam Tara Kaifa. That are the first 10 surah inside the Quran. When they can get what we call Sarah Keu, that's a small graduation of how they don't learn reach. Then they can make that small graduation day for the beginning. And so then go Alam Tara Kaifa, then go Sabi Ismail Obika, then go different surah, then tell them don't Quran.
When you go, then you get message that will give you alpha. If you carry the message going up, you don't get sense. But you tell where the Elekeu that the Arabic side they come out, then they call you up and beat you. But you don't go know what they beat you for. You want to say what I don't do. They will not see the complaint come from the home to outside the land. Because we troublesome at home, a problem. The troublesome on a treat, a problem, because all picking get uncle auntie when they must see you na treat if you behave untowardly na street, they can discipline you. And then discipline you na treat, you cannot go and say anything na us to your parents then. Because you go say anything else to your parents and say, so auntie or so uncle beat me na treat, they don't say not to unjustly they beat you. Now something you do, we make them beat you.
I've been the camp, I've been very stubborn and very troublesome. You know, I grew up, I born na Kisi, very troublesome area. I can't grow up now na Fobe and Ginger Hall. So that it tells you the kind of areas where I grew up. But because of the heavy-handedness of me daddy be know the kind of community would they. So you know be left me by my own wish and desire. He ensure say I pay attention to my book. And na day I sit me was, na day I go for a big college, na day I begin work. You know, people in the world grow up with some of them, they're not take, well, I'm not going to say they're not serious, but they're not put the much seriousness where some of we put ourselves not serious that way, they will just get small seriousness. And the message to the young people, if you want to be a responsible old person, now we're young, now they mold yourself. As a young person, focus on education, empower yourself, do something that will better you, so that by the time you turn a full-grown man, you will be a very responsible person.
And at that time, we'll be small, the education for women will not be easy. Then they give preference to man them by the education. But now you meet up, if you don't meet up now, a lot of women them we graduates, where they are graduates, then are degree holders them, where they work in our places, then our offices, then they hold high positions then. And if you go Fobe now, as I tell you about the education, you get every profession in Fobe.
We can safely say we get up to 4 university professors inside Fobe. We can safely say we get up to 10 medical doctors inside Fobe. We can safely say we get up to 15 engineers inside Fobe. We can safely say we get up to 15 or more accountants with ACCA inside Fobe. We get lawyers, we get administrators, teachers. So now make I say there's hardly any profession we don't forget. And Fobe is a very small community.
Well, with culture, we not joke with the culture. Now we get society serve the main society we na the Awodi Yoruba society the Oje. So we say born meet them, granddaddy them, great granddaddy them meet them. So we serve we na born of the community. We say the join. Me when they talk to you say me say me na past master. Cause I don't go out now, I don't left. Well, I mean, I've been there, I don't left now. Okay, I mean, like where the lodge man say past master. So we don't retire from the society there now, but we still they look after them for let the culture not die.
If you look, the Fobe we want to Punado we call Komojadi. We get we how we can do them, and as I say earlier, the names they will give picking them, you get Yoruba name. And if we want to inform the community about burying somebody die, big person die in a community, the Jama will get what you call Tambale, where the other people that call it Tabule. That Tambale day, they get around on that kind of money for inform everybody say burying down there at the community, somebody don't die. We get them back if we want to get meetings. Community want to get meeting or Jama they want to get meeting and get what you call Agogo. That Agogo in a Yoruba word. Something like a pan where you knock. You get where you go knock them for inform the community people and say you get meeting or most time we they want clean the Bengon because we are the only community we get to Bengon for ourselves. When they want clean them and go pass around after the Maghrib Ishai hour, when you don't pray down, then inform everybody say with the clean Bengon so and so time. let everybody go assemble at the Bengon for go brush the Bengon. So that make the community be a unique community. And again, with tradition and culture the way they practice here, when most time the Oje, hunting and Gelede. The society they don't establish this country for about 200 years now. Almost 200 years. Because the very first Oje come na Sierra Leone, na Eastern come, when na Egbaton, Eastern Oje, then the 200 years this April. And where Oje come out na Eastern, na Fobe come. He did for Fobe for some time before ever he go up with Baforce and he can marry. So Fobe, not all long time from we days of Udadi and then get this society Oje. And until seven, not practice for quite some long time. Now we community, now culture that we meet with Daddy there and they param and we self try for all and we believe say it not go die out.
Right, to see I talk about they kill them, but we've also been getting then comping them down and we call them comping. Talbia and Adabia, then for the young girls, right? Which they not get from Ilekeo, they can go get from company. Yes. So after some time, then decide where they all don't marry, they not big, then decide for form old girls associations. So still get Adabia Old Girls Association, then we get Mauludia instead of then this get the company. So all that are part of the educational aspect. I tell them the Ajubawa talk about the cultural, mostly the Adabia and the Mauludia, and then came beat Ajuba when we get marriage in particular.
All the culture we maintain them. I will get on the bush then na so get on the bush there na Fulaton and Aberdeen. I will get Oje na Fobe na so get na Fulaton and Aberdeen. It's still there. I will get na Gunukuno more than na Fulaton we not na Fobe. We get Ugelede, Fulaton self get Ngelede, then get the hunting, then get the Oje, then get the Jolly there. How no more we get them na so ide na then side and they because we are one people.
And we also don't learn one very important thing where Fobe, Fulaton and Aberdeen na three sisters them. What they make I call them three sisters them now because they get a tradition where they exist between them three communities they are. Where still they exist. You go Aberdeen or they meet and they you go Fobe or they meet here. You go Fulaton or they meet and they.
You know say you get Creole in general as a tribe where most of them are the settlers them we come out of country Kenya, you get the captives, you get the Nova Scotians, you get different. But we na Fobe, Fulaton and Aberdeen na be the small sets we choose for be Muslim. Now I make if you look we name the way we get Macaulay, me na be Macaulay, I'm married named Johnson. You get Williams, you get different name them. You get Joki, you get Gabisi. Different name them Rerena because we stock now from the Creole clan, you understand. So we na Creole people them, but because some of we own daddy them we choose to be Muslim, now that make we na the small types of Creole Muslim them. We settle na Fobe, Fulaton, Aberdeen, 2-3 days na Godigi Chenwatalu. You understand? But outside them we settle more. We plenty and Fobe, Fulaton and Aberdeen.
So then in 19 of the past on the violence and thief in the community, right now we get community street like them and we don't work with the police partnership board, now we get CSV then in the community now. When the youth in the community say come okay, this thief, now this bad name don't pass mark. For me peaceful and I like you car 1 o'clock morning now. And thanks so much now to Elisa, light the cam and most of the street and get street lights. It's a very big blessing for the community. So on violence on youth in the community 19 of the past, then we don't come on now.
job opportunity for the youths there?
Job opportunity don't be a challenge, you know. There's a word we say you born meet somebody, you're not able to enjoy them. We get Wataki, but they know they give you the support we need over the years. Young man in there, we get skills who overqualified in terms of academically, but they don't get work. Like how you know, say the unemployment rate over 60% of the entire country. For myself, we are affected. You know, a lot of make say all is well. You know, we there, but not, most of we not get Wataki job. You know, and people in the way overqualified for get the job, don't Nectar, Bolori, the Port Authority, you name it, but they not get that. So we still urge the authorities to be concerned, let them pay attention to how they're able to feel in some of the brothers and sisters them. We qualify, we get the skills. The one that we not get skills, we not qualify, we urge them for go learn something. Because at the end of the day, no go give work, we don't learn nothing. But the one that we don't learn, do ya, we beg.
When family learn, so we go draw the curtain down for today. We don't hear about the history of Fobe and the rich thing where they take place now Fobe. The history thing where they happen before when they happen now, and thing we still continue for the happen. Fobe na a Muslim-dominated community, but because we get religious tolerance in this country, then decide for make church in the community. When are the Limba Church Pentecostal, where they na this community, we are the only church because they get about 3 mosques in this Fobe community here. And also, me work out this program to na Jorian Dumbuya. Me producer and cameraman na George Louis. Till next week for another edition, we will cut on the history and tradition of other community. Tata.